Classic Car Tour, December 26, 13.
That was good driving.
Nice sunny day out. Some of the cars on the tour today. 41 Chev. 48 Chev. 70 Ford.
Barry?
Yep.
Email me what you get, would you? And I'll...
Okay. 28 Ford. Okay. 52 Hudson.
I used to have one of these.
69 Cougar.
Gave it to me for free.
80 Corvette.
I drove it until the clutch runs in oil. It's a cork-based clutch. And one day in the drive-in,
Two Jaguars.
Western decided not to.
64 Comet Caliente convertible. Buick. I think it's about a 38. 66 T-Bird. '93 Lincoln. 50 or 51, 52 Plymouth. Cadillac Fleetwood. '29 Ford. Chevy pickup. Model A Ford. This apparently was a four-door sedan made into a pickup truck years ago. It's old, not even any paint left on it. The metal in those days seemed to last forever because it's so solid. '50 Plymouth. Well, hope you enjoyed the video, the last car tour of the year. Bye for now.